Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to see the top 3 English learning mistakes people make that delay their progress by 24 months or more, and how to avoid them in 2024 and beyond. Have you ever wondered how some people just seem to learn English so easily, while almost no matter what you do, you feel like you can't? Well, if you don't avoid these 3 mistakes, you will stay stuck forever in this vicious circle of poor English. But if you fix these 3 mistakes, you will see rapid progress you didn't think was possible. By the end of this video, you'll see why. In this video, we're going to cover the 3 mistakes almost everyone makes that cost them years of learning, how to fix these mistakes and achieve your goal as fast as possible, and the surprise at the end. First, a little background about me. My name is Ikram Khassa. I am a virtual English coach. I am a unique kind of English language coach because I work virtually with my clients so I can save them the travel time and save on the expensive office so I can offer better advice for less money. Unlike institutes and online courses, I am a licensed English tutor from Hassan II University in Morocco. I coached over 500 people to improve their English. I taught English for 2 years at a professional center, then realized I was spending more energy managing office politics than actually helping people learn English. So I quit and I started working directly with clients so I can save them money and focus 100% of my time on improving people's English skills. My goal is to open your world to new opportunities by making English learning easy for everyone. Now, what are the 3 mistakes that everyone makes when they're learning English? The first mistake is going to language centers. If you go to a language center, you will find the classes overcrowded, which means that the teacher may or may not notice you in the classroom. And since the class is crowded, you will not get your chance to participate, which means less practice for you. Also, the textbook lessons will not align with your learning needs because everyone's learning needs are different. Also, language centers don't have a flexible schedule. They have a fixed schedule that you can't say anything about. The second mistake is not practicing daily. If you don't practice daily, you will not build the habit of language learning. Yes, language learning is a habit that you have to implement into your everyday life. Because if you do so, you will stay motivated and you will stay curious about what you are learning. And if you are motivated and curious about what you're learning, you will learn new things. You will learn new vocabulary, new adjective, new rules to use in English. And if you practice daily, you will have to also revise what you have learned before. The third mistake that people make is they fear making mistakes. If you constantly fear making mistakes, you will lower your self-confidence when using the language. And it will also block your creativity and fluency. And you will miss on a lot of learning opportunities. Because if you're making mistakes, you will not ask the teacher if you don't understand something. Or you won't raise your hand and give the answer because you'll always be afraid of pronouncing a word badly or your friends laughing at you or your classmates laughing at you because of your accent or because of your answer. Only those who do nothing make no mistakes, but that could be the biggest mistake. So, if you sit there and do nothing about it, do nothing about your learning, you don't raise your hand, you don't ask questions, you don't practice with your friends or with your teacher, you will make no mistakes, clearly. But that could be the biggest mistake because you will not know where you lack practice. So, mistakes equal learning, and mistakes are good. So far, we've covered the 3 mistakes that everyone makes that cost them years of learning, which are going to language centers, not practicing daily, and the fear of making mistakes, how to fix these 3 mistakes, and achieve your goal as fast as possible. And you still have to wait till the end for the surprise. Now, you have 2 options: either to do it on your own, to learn English on your own, or we can learn it together. If you choose the first option, and if you want to do it on your own, you will have incorrect pronunciation, a slow learning speed, you will lack self-confidence while you are speaking English, you'll have no one to guide you through this journey, you won't be satisfied with your learning, and you'll have a high chance that you will not achieve your goal. But if you choose to do this together, you will have a professional mentor to guide you through this journey. You will have tailored lessons for your learning needs. You will be able to express yourself fluently in English. You will have great self-confidence thanks to your great language skills. You'll have greater opportunities at your feet thanks to your language knowledge. And you will have goal-oriented and faster learning. And for the big surprise, if you click the link below and book, you will get a free breakthrough English acceleration consultation with the value of $50. I repeat, if you click the link below and book now, you will get a free breakthrough English acceleration consultation with the value of $50. We will go over your current English situation and goal and create a unique plan to get you there at a zero cost. If you like the plan, you can implement it by yourself, or we can do it together. Now, the spots are very limited, so if you want me to assess your current English situation and give you a plan that will help you get to your goal, go to the link below and book a call with me. This was it for today. See you in the next video.